Welcome. Last week we looked at an anchor chart that we created about multiplication for one of our warm-ups. Today we're going to narrow it down. Instead of looking at all of these strategies such as the array, skip counting, repeated addition, fact family, and number line. We're going to look at other strategies, and we're going to try to really hone in on which strategy works best for us. So let me remove this anchor chart, and we'll have our blank canvas to begin with today. Now, when I was looking at my anchor chart, I was trying to figure out, or our anchor chart, I was trying to figure out what areas do we need assistance in. Some of us just memorize, and others like to draw pictures to really understand why multiplication looks that way. So, let's think of two numbers. I'm going to start with 8 times 4. Now, looking at one strategy. When we first learned multiplications this year, we were thinking about 8 groups of 4. 8 groups of 4. Now, how would that look as an image? 8 groups of 4. So 8 being the groups. So I'm thinking of 8 being my bowls or my plates. Let's go with plates. 8 plates. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Mr. Shirley went to the store and bought 8 plates. He placed 4 cookies on each plate. How many cookies would there be altogether? So how many cookies go on each plate? This one has, okay. So on each plate, the word each says that every single one of them would have 4. Now, how can I count this all together to figure out what is 8 times 4? You can count by 4s, that's correct. Okay, some of you find it easier to count by 2s. Let's go back and do that. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. So 8 times 4 would be equal to 32. And our strategy was 8 groups of 4. By drawing 8 groups of 4. And that is one of our strategies, showing groups of. Using these two numbers, how else could I show groups of? Okay. Swap numbers, right. 4 groups of 8. What should our answer be? What number did we get last time? Should be 32. Let's check. 8. How many 8s do we need? 8, 8, 8. Some of you are saying this more efficient. It's quicker. Could be, could be. So what is 8 plus 8? Okay, 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. So I have 16 plus 16 should equal 32. Check. So what would you consider 8 times 4 and 4 times 8? Yep, then the same fact family. You are correct. Absolutely. Okay, that's showing groups of. We're going to do one more, groups of, and in the next video we're going to look at different ways of looking at arrays. Right now we're looking at groups of. 5 groups of 7. Some of you will know this answer right away, and some of you will look at it and be like, okay, I have a strategy. Give me a thumbs up if you have a strategy. Okay, I see a lot of strategies out there. Some mathematicians thinking. So 5 groups of 7. So what can I do? Do you find it easier to count by 5s or count by 7s? By 5s? So what can I do here to help me out? Oh, I can say 7 groups of 5. That's correct. That is a strategy. I can look at the reverse. I can look at the part of the fact family to find my answer. 7 groups of 5. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 groups of 5. So that's 5, 10, 35. 35 is our correct answer, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, counting by 5s. The other way to do it was to be count by 7s. If you have good practice counting by 7s, it's great as well. You go 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. That would have worked as well. It's just what do you have the most practice at? What strategies do you have? What strategies are up here, and how can you use that strategy to best fit your needs in the problem? Okay. Last one, I'm going to write 3 problems on here. I'd like you to take a moment, see if you can finish work on these in your notebook. Go ahead and pause the video right after I show these 3 problems. Okay, go ahead and pause right here. Thank you for practicing groups of. We're using multiplication today. And remember, next time we're going to be working on arrays and on how to use arrays with possible larger numbers. Thank you.